Binary options trend following strategy. Trend following is one of the most reliable approaches in trading, and it works extremely well in binary options when it is applied correctly. The key difference with binary options is that timing matters more than price distance. You are not trying to catch huge moves, you are trying to align yourself with direction and probability. This strategy is designed to trade in the direction of the dominant trend using simple indicators and strict rules. It avoids guessing tops and bottoms and focuses only on continuation trades. The first thing you need to understand is that this strategy does not work in sideways markets. It is meant for trending conditions only. If the market is ranging, you stay out. To identify the trend, we use two indicators: the 50 exponential moving average and the 200 exponential moving average. These two indicators help us define direction and market bias clearly. When the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA and both are sloping upward, the market is in an uptrend. When the 50 EMA is below the 200 EMA and both are sloping downward, the market is in a downtrend. If the EMAs are flat or crossing back and forth, the market is not suitable for this strategy. This strategy works best on the 1-minute and 5-minute charts. The 1-minute chart offers more signals but requires more discipline. The 5-minute chart offers fewer signals but higher quality setups. Beginners should start with the 5-minute chart. For expiration times, this is critical. On the 1-minute chart, the optimal expiration is 2 to 3 minutes. On the 5-minute chart, the optimal expiration is 1 candle, meaning 5 minutes. Avoid using very short expirations like 30 seconds. They are mostly noise. Now let's talk about entries. In an uptrend, you only look for call options. Never take put options in an uptrend. You wait for price to pull back toward the 50 EMA. The pullback should be controlled, not aggressive. When price touches or slightly penetrates the 50 EMA and then closes back above it, that is your entry signal. The confirmation comes from the candle close. You enter the trade at the close of the candle that rejects the EMA and closes in the direction of the trend. This is very important. You do not enter mid-candle. In a downtrend, the rules are reversed. You only look for put options. You wait for price to pull back toward the 50 EMA. When price rejects the EMA and closes below it, you enter a put option at the candle close. You do not trade when price is too far away from the EMAs. Chasing price leads to losses. Patience is what makes this strategy profitable. Risk management is essential even in binary options. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade. Binary options can feel simple, but poor money management destroys accounts quickly. Now let's talk about realistic expectations. This strategy does not win every trade. A realistic win rate is between 55 and 65% when traded correctly and only during trending conditions. The edge comes from discipline, not from overtrading. You should expect losing streaks. This is normal. The goal is consistency over many trades, not perfection. This strategy works best during high liquidity sessions such as the London and New York sessions. Avoid trading during low volume periods unless the trend is very clear. One powerful feature many traders overlook is copy trading. If you are not confident trading manually, you can use copy trading to automatically follow top traders who already use trend-based strategies. This allows you to participate in the market while learning and observing professional behavior. Copy trading should still be monitored. Never blindly copy without understanding risk and drawdowns. This trend-following strategy is simple, rule-based, and repeatable. It removes emotion, reduces overtrading, and aligns you with market momentum instead of fighting it. Binary options success is not about finding a secret indicator. It is about following a proven structure, managing risk, and executing with discipline. Realistic performance expectations: win rate 55%, 65% best time frames, 1 minute and 5 minute best expiration, 1 minute chart, 2-3 minutes 5 minute chart, 5 minutes trades per session, 5-15 max monthly expectation disciplined, 5%, 15%. Key risk: overtrading and trading during ranging markets. No strategy guarantees profits. Consistency and discipline matter more than indicators.